Okay, so here's how you're going to share your quizzes that you made. You're going to type each teacher's name, so I'll write Mrs. Palmer, Mrs. Wilder, blah, 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 whoever. And then you're going to go to your tab with your forms in it. We're going to look at the quiz for Mrs. Wilder. I'll click on it to open. When I go to the share button, I can copy the URL for it, go back to where I'm editing my post. When I highlight Miss Wilder, I'll click the link button and I'll paste in the URL. So now I can go back to the forms. I can go find Mrs. Palmer's, wherever it went. I'll go to the share button, copy the URL, go back to the blog, highlight Miss Palmer, click the link, and paste in the URL for her specific